Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorials. In this video we are going to see one important job update which is coming from IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur में काफी अच्छी job opportunity आप लोग के लिए आई है and this job opportunity is for all of you whether you are fresher, whether you are experienced. For experience there are multiple posts. For fresher also there are some posts, so you can all apply. For masters also there are very good posts, so you all of you can stick to this video. One important thing is that there is this last date which is very close, that is the 9th of January 2023. Before that you have applied, and if you miss this date, so that won't be good for you. And this is the official portal of IIT Kanpur, you can see. And this is official notification. I have highlighted a few things which will be very useful for you. I'll be showing you each and every detail. Even after going through that detail, if you have any confusion, there are emails and numbers in which you can get an update from IIT Kanpur personnel. So first of all, this is the job which is going to have the 1 year of probation period. After that, they will assess, and based on your performance, they can take the route of giving you permanent post or extending the things as they find it suitable. So they haven't mentioned anything clearly regarding that, but there are very good posts like level 10, level 6, and level 3 posts. Level 3 posts are there in which I think most of you will be eligible to apply, and there is no requirement of any what do you say experience. So any fresher can apply in these 100 posts. So these 100 posts are very good posts per week, but salaries you can see this is the basic salary, and this is the base pay, and pay level is mentioned, and you can see that there will be some other increments. So I'm not mentioning that. Based on the base pay, you can search on the Google and you can get more information regarding that. After that, there are these very good posts like level 10 posts, which are assistant executive engineer post. This is obviously like requiring some experience, but assistant registrar posts are there which are not requiring any experience, just master's degree. So that is very good opportunity for many of you if you are having master's degree. There is this medical officer, obviously like requiring MBBS, junior engineer like for diploma and BTech people. Junior technical superintendent is also one very good post, and then these are their posts. So I'll be discussing each post one by one. But before that, there is also one very good opportunity for you, which is coming from the Unacademy. Unacademy Core Engineering is giving you this opportunity for the career assist test, which you can give on the Sunday, 8th January, 4 p.m. onwards. But you can register that right now in the link which is given in the description, and this is completely free, not requiring any fees from your end, and this is going to give you opportunity to get simply a test which is going to have 20 questions, and in that 20 question you have to give the test. These are from mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, like basic your branch questions will come, and top performers will be giving this opportunity to interview in the various partner companies. There are very good companies there, and you will also have the chance of getting the Unacademy scholarship. So this all will come from one test, and you can see that there are these companies: Siemens, General Steel is there, and there is this Ola Electric is there. There are various companies, and you have very good opportunity there. And there will be 2,000 plus job vacancies. There will be 140 plus companies hiring an academy scholarship. So this is going to be very good, and there are like very few days left before which you can register in that. And this is the last time, like last time similar kind of test happened, and in that test 60 plus learners received offers from the various prestigious companies, as a few of you can see here. And even if you don't get a job, like don't get clear that test, so then also like you have opportunity that an academy will be helping you in the career assist. So you have like win-win situation there, and you have this test link. Okay, if you go in the link, you have to just log in and register, and based on your branch select the test which you will give. So this is very easy thing which you can give, and get a chance here also. Okay, so this is one opportunity I wanted to tell you about. And coming back to this job opportunity which I was discussing, so it is having this assistant executive engineer first of all. So this is for civil and electrical branch. So this is having requiring 3 years of 3 years of experience, and if you are having 5 years of experience, then that is like desirable thing, but essential thing is 3 years of experience. So 3 years of experience, this is whether in it's civil or electrical you can apply. Then there is this assistant registrar post. They have two type of assistant registrar posts. Both are like almost same. You can go through the notification yourself also. This is only 6-page notification. So I'll be sharing you this notification also. Don't don't worry about that. This is only asking for master's degree with 55% marks. Okay, so if you are having good marks in masters, so you can very well apply here, and the salary is also very good, as you have seen that level 10 post is there. So assistant registrar you can apply. So this is your desirable thing. Okay. After that, medical officer is requiring MBBS, so I'm not going to talk about that. You can see it if you or your friend are eligible for that. Junior engineer is asking for a bachelor degree with 1 year of experience or diploma with 3 years of experience. Okay, so this is a junior engineer opportunity for civil, for electrical electronics, and also for mechanical. Same thing. If you are having more experience, then that is cherry on the top. So this is like desirable thing. So you can see that. Then this is junior technical superintendent DOIP post. So this is requiring MBBS, BTech, not MBBS like masters or BTech or B in various branches like even like some branches which you rarely see post in these type of institutes like biotech, environmental, BSc, AG. So environmental science post are there, civil engineering post are there, chemical engineering post are there. So this is not requiring any much experience. Yeah, 2 years of experience are required here. Okay. So with 2 years of experience in these branches, mechanical is also there. So you can apply in this also. Physical training is like requiring physical training certifications and diploma courses. Staff training like requiring this thing. Junior technician, as I told you, like junior technician is the one in which most of you can apply. You can see that civil engineering, computer science, bio, electrical, electronics, geology, mechanical, aerospace, material science, physics, and no experience is mentioned. For diploma, obviously minimum 3 years of duration is asked, but no experience is mentioned, so that is going to be very good. Desirable is computer knowledge, okay, and post qualification hands-on experience if you have, so that is very good, but that is desirable. That is not mandatory thing. Okay, so this is what is required. Okay, salary is mentioned in the first page itself, and how you have to apply. There is this official link in which you have to go and you have to register as a new user. And then this is just filling of the detail you have to do. But the last date is this. Just remember that, and it may be extended, but for now, like this is the last date. Okay, and yeah, there is this fees also. There is for Group A they have this 1,000 fees, and for SCST they have 500 fees, and Group BC they have 700 fees. So please take care of that. And they have only mentioned this. Okay, so you can go through the notification and see the details yourself and apply in that. And you can also apply in the career assist test which I have told you. So these are two updates for this. In the next video, you'll be seeing some other job updates. So till then, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.